Hello everyone, welcome to the new section, Retrieving Information from Text Data. In this section, we will detect tokens and sentences using Java and OpenNLP. We'll then retrieve lemma, part of speech, and recognized named entities from tokens using Stanford Core NLP. We'll also measure text similarity with cosine similarity measure using Java 8. Later on, we'll extract topics from text documents using Mallet. Lastly, we'll classify text documents using Mallet and Weka. Let's start with the first video of this section that deals with detecting tokens using Java. One of the most common tasks that a data scientist needs to do using text data is to detect tokens from it. This task is called tokenization. In this video, we will use three different techniques that, when applied to the same string, yield three different results. To get started, visit this link and go through the documentation on the regular expression patterns supported by the pattern class. Also, see the examples at this link. This will give you an idea of the usage of a break iterator. Create a project word detection and a class of the same name. First, we create a method that uses Java's StringTokenzier class to detect tokens. This method will take the input sentence and tokenize the sentence using this class. Also, the method will print the tokens. Call the StringTokenzier constructor by sending the input sentence as parameter. So, import StringTokenzier from Java util. Then, create a string object to hold the tokens. Iterate through the tokenizer to get each word and print them on the console. Close the method at the end. Go to the main class and add this line of code. We've created a string object and added these values. Then, create an object for word detection and use tokenizer with input string. To print the output, add this line of code in the tokenizer. Upon running, we see that the output of this method will be like this. Second, we create a method that uses Java's break iterator class to iterate through each word in a text. You will see that the code is slightly more complex than the first method we created. The method will get the input sentence as its argument. So, let's create the method. Then, use the break iterator class to create a tokenizer. We'll need to import break iterator from Java text. Apply the tokenizer on the input sentence using this line of code. Get the starting index of the tokenizer. And get each token using a for loop as a string and print them on the console. Close the method at the end. Let's see what output we get when we use break iterator instead of tokenizer. See, there are breaks between the words. Now lastly, we create a method that tokenizes an input text using regular expression. We use a pattern using a regular expression that can capture punctuations, single or multiple hyphenated words, quotation marks, apostrophes in the end, and so on. If you need some specific patterns, just use your own regular expression in this line. We'll have to import pattern from Java utils. After that, apply a matcher on the pattern, so import matcher as well. Using the matcher to retrieve all the words from the input text using this code. Finally, close the method. We'll use regex. And the output in this case will be like this. Cool! In this video, we detected tokens or words.